In this video, we'll take a look at how you can add new users to your SimplyBook.me account. Some users can have just viewer privileges, while others can be assigned specific service providers or have complete admin access depending on your company structure. Let's start by navigating to Manage Users. Click plus to create a new user and add their email. You can also add a custom login name or simply use the email to log in. The user group will determine the access level. Click Show Roles Description to view a detailed breakdown of available access levels. Add a password. Each user will be able to change their password or request a password reset using the listed email address. Add a name and phone number if necessary. Toggle the switch to email the login information to the user when you save changes. You can also connect specific service providers to this user if you'd like them to receive only the relevant push notifications in their admin app. If none are connected, they will receive all of the notifications. Once a user logs in, they will be able to connect their Google account to log in via Google or set up two-factor authentication in the dedicated tab. If you'd like to set up service providers, you can check out our dedicated tutorial using the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.